All right, so today is another day in quarantine paradise. So we are I actually have a passenger on the back today, and he needed to go and get some paperwork done. So I'm gonna go and drop him off at the Marquee Mall. Anyway, beautiful day. Extremely hot, but it seems like we have had heat to the max over the last few days. So anyway, come on for the ride, and once I'm done with that, I think I'm just gonna continue my ride a little bit and drive around up towards Angeles. So we go from there. It's pretty amazing. All right, a long red light stop, and here we go. And like I said, it's pretty amazing. The roads are, despite the current situation, roads are full of people up here in the old Jollibee Burger King. That has kind of been my standard food over the last. Uh-oh. See, they cannot wait. They have to cut you off, and I love those U-turns from the right-hand lane. Cut all three lanes, and then you go from there. It takes a little bit to get used to it, but it's getting there. So we had some plans to possibly run down to Morong, but those plans has been rescheduled for another time. All right, so here we have the checkpoint. They don't really bother you. I think what they are actually checking for more than anything is that people wear the mask and the shield and all that. It came to a time where they actually supplied masks for people, and that's all good. You know, the situation around here doesn't look any different than pre-pizza. It's about midday, noon, and we're gonna go and take some of the back roads, sneak through here, and through this area up towards Marquee Mall. All right, so some subscribers are always asking, can you give us the road names that you travel on? And I normally haven't done that. I do it occasionally. But anyway, this one here, coming up here, is has a funny name. Jup Park Road. So, and then we are gonna go left on I believe that street is called Mabini. I always cut through this way because it's easy, and you avoid having to go down to Balibago, make a U-turn, and come out. So I run through this neighborhood, like it seems like a lot of people do, and I haven't been doing a lot of walking and talking videos lately. I'm gonna do a couple of them here, go out and look around a little bit, and what I want to do is just like featuring the effects, so to say, about the pizza that is going on right now. All right, so this here is, I believe this is Melba Street, and that should take us all the way out there to what is it called? Travel that all the time. Still can't remember. Aniceto, Gueco Street, or something like that, and that is the street coming up right here. So that should take us right into Balibago and into Marquee Mall. This is a road that I have not traveled a long time. I haven't generally been out because you have so many things going on that I just simply don't feel like going out. Look at all these bicycles. That's another thing I have noticed here lately. All the bicycle shops that has popped up all over the place, tons of them, and we've seen a huge increase in people running their bicycles. All right, so that is Barangay Balibago. We just entered in. I never met anybody who lives back in here, but it looks like a pretty decent, nice neighborhood. And by the way, we are seriously thinking of relocating and hit the road and possibly migrate away from the city. I think if we got down to our island, it's kind of a little isolated in a sense, but for sure, I think it would give us a lot more personal freedom, in the sense that, number one, the population is not as intense down there. Around our property, there is literally no people around. The nearest barangay is probably about, I would say, 500 meters away from the property. And initially, we would probably just live there while we tried to fix us a home, and we'll see what that goes. All right, let's get by this guy. Right ahead. is Marquee Mall. I haven't been there in a long time. I was there in there a few months ago when I had to do some cell phone service, but I haven't been. I don't think I have been to SM since 2019 inside a mall. I'm just not a mall person, so that's just the way I am. All right, so I have made the drop. I just did a little cut edit, and I made a drop, and now I'm gonna continue heading up towards Angeles City just to get out for a few minutes. I gotta go back and pick him up, but I told him to just do what you need to do and give me an SMS when you're done, and I'll pick you up. It's a lot of traffic today. I mean, this is pre-COVID. I would say it is completely same traffic, if not more intense in some. Down here, if you look on the right hand side, you see a road there down by the bridge. That's where some of the guys that I've seen and heard and met, and also joined them on a couple of occasions. They've been helping some families down there. The living condition down there is just unbelievable in a sense, and the poverty is incredible. You know, the people have to live like that, but they have been doing a good job. They call him the Banana Man. So I'm gonna do some more documentary type footage and put a 15-20 minute piece together for him, and we've been working on that. All right, so let's pop it up. And talking about the Banana Man, I think they have also worked together with Rotary Club, for whatever it's called, and they have done a pretty good job. I mean, they literally feeding, I think, 300 kids or so a couple of times a day, 7 days a week. So that is pretty impressive in the sense of personal engagement in a project like this. Pure gold. All right, we are in a hurry here, so I guess I wait. I'm not in a hurry today. I'm just going to ride. And you know, sometimes when I do this, I ride and I go to different areas. I ride and gather up video footage and material for a couple of videos, 3 videos. I think today will be 3 at least, and all motovlogs. I don't go out very much, so even though I would like to, but I kind of stay away from the major crowds. Stick your nose out and stop the traffic. That is a general traffic rule here, and you got to live with that. All right, so a little further down the road here, we are coming up on MacArthur, and I am getting close to that part, and I'm gonna say goodbye, goodbye. And guys, don't forget the live feed every Wednesday evening, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Thursday morning here in Philippines at 8 a.m. and we are going to go from there. So every Wednesday night, 8 p.m. live feed, and come and join us, share and share your thoughts about what's going on. All right, for now, over and out.